By 2030, will AI actually replace software engineers? Tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and AI code assistants can already write apps, debugging code, and build UI, and even generate full projects. So, what happens next? In this video, we are going to explore the future of engineering, especially mobile development, and I'll also show you how to use AI today to 10x your productivity instead of being replaced by it. Let's talk honestly, practically, and without the hype. The real question is not can AI write a code? The real question is can AI replace the entire responsibility of an engineer? Engineering is not only typing code, it's understanding the business needs, designing systems, handling edge cases, communicating with teams, maintaining long-term architecture, owning outcomes. By 2030, AI will absolutely replace repetitive, low-context, task-based coding, but engineers who think, design, own, and communicate, they will not be replaced. Instead, they will be augmented. Let's be honest, some roles are at risk. These include copy-paste developers, tutorial-only developers, people who don't understand the architecture, those who only follow instruction. If you value, I can Google it and write a code, AI is already better than you. But if you value, I understand the problem deeply and solve it elegantly, then you are irreplaceable. AI still struggles with long-term product ownership, domain complexity, trade-off decision, user empathy, system reliability under scale, and deeply ambitious requirements. It doesn't take responsibility, lead the humans, own outcomes, and that's what we great engineers do. You can use AI for generating boilerplate, writing UI scaffolds, converting designs to code, creating models and serializers, but always review and refactor. Example prompts: generate a Flutter widget that displays a product list with a shimmer loading placeholder. And you can ask AI, compare block with Riverbot, suggest layered architecture, help with dependencies graphs. And also, based stack traces, just ask explain the root cause and suggest a fix like a senior engineer. And for testing, generate unit tests, generate mocks, suggest test cases. And for the documentation and refactoring, you can explain complex logic, such as better naming and improve readability. And what about learning? Turn docs into tutorials, create exercises, summarize new tech. The future-proof action plan. So here's the truth. AI will not replace engineers, but engineers who use AI will replace those who don't. Your job to become more strategic, more creative, more product focused. So learn architecture, problem solving, communication, and business thinking, and use AI as your superpower. And the best developers in 2030 will not be keyboard warriors. They will be problem architects with AI as their teammate. Thanks for watching and follow for more.